Alright, this is going to be a real quick video on institutional order flow. Looking at price action today. Today is Monday, the 29th of January. And I thought that we were going to be bearish on the day. If we look at price on a naked chart here, a daily chart, we can see this move from here all the way up to here. If we look at equilibrium of this move, we never trade down to equilibrium. I thought today that we were gonna open and just start coming lower and take out equilibrium. If we go to a 4-hour chart, we can see there's a bullish order block right here below 50%, and there's these lows here and these relative equal lows. I'll just show you on this chart. These relative equal lows right here. So I figured there's no way we don't take out these lows, possibly these ones, and hit equilibrium. Well, that didn't happen. We ended up going higher. So here's midnight. We trade up into this order block here, or this one, however you want to look at it. We trade up here and then trade down. Trade up again. We broke. So the past 3 days here we were going down with bearish market structure. Intermediate term lows being broken, intermediate term highs being left intact. And today there was an intermediate term high that formed last night at 10 p.m. on Sunday, and then price broke that intermediate term high at 1 a.m. this morning. So bullish shifted market structure right here. I didn't really give it much value, because if you look at this is just one move upwards really, but I guess it was important based off this here. So intermediate term high here broken at 1 a.m. So bullish shift to market structure, and then so we're trading down here following institutional order flow to the downside until 9 a.m. We break this bearish order block, trade down, trade up again, and trade down again. If I go to my other chart, I have hourly order blocks denoted here. Here's a bearish order block and a bullish order block. So you can see price was consolidating back and forth between these two. And something I put in my notes was that if price has a clear target that's in line with the current market structure, and it, instead of going to that target, it just consolidates and then breaks market structure in the other direction, anticipate a move in that direction, is something I noted. So I'm gonna keep that in mind while I'm trading and see how it holds up. But institutional order flow, if we go to a 5-minute chart, I'm gonna zoom in close here. So if we go to a 5-minute chart, we can see here's this bearish order block and this bullish order block from the 1-hour time frame. I did grab a trade this morning. I think it was here down to here. I got rid of it right before price came all the way down here. So it is what it is, but I'm green on the day. So look at bearish order block. Price trades below it, trades back up, respects it, goes lower, and up, down, up, down, up, down. It's a lot of whipsaw action right here, but institutional order flow, if you look closely, it was bearish all the way until this candle here traded above this one, and this one, and possibly this one, but that doesn't matter. What matters is that institutional order flow was broken to the upside. So we have institutional order flow broken to the upside. We have bullish market structure since this intermediate term high was broken at 1 a.m. and we're trading within a bullish order block right here. So price breaks in institutional order flow, trades back down and goes higher from there, way higher. We trade back up and we break this more well-defined intermediate term high, this one. We break this at noon, and then we trade down during the lunch hour. Well, we didn't really trade down, we just consolidated during the lunch hour, and then after lunch ended we went higher again. But if we go down to a 1 minute, This was where institutional order flow was broken when it came up here and broke this bearish order block. And then it traded down, traded below all these lows, below these, a few of these lows here. So a generous stop trade, and then takes off, breaks more of these highs, trades back down into a bullish order block right here in the discount range of this price leg. If I grab a fib from bottom to top, and I'll draw out this order block for you. You can see price traded down and went higher from there. If we measure it from here to here, 70 points, and that wasn't even the bulk of the move. That was, I don't know, a half of it, a third of it. 170. So good move today. But yeah, I guess just key takeaway: if there's a clear target and it's in line with the current market structure, meaning market structure is bearish and we have relative equal lows, and price decides to not take out these lows and instead consolidate and then shift in market structure, anticipate a move in this case upwards, but generally just in the other direction. So I think that's all I have. So have a good night.